Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today we are preparing an authentic mouth-watering recipe, that is Mutton Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. This fragrant, spicy and mouth-watering dish is a celebration of flavors, combining tender mutton with aromatic basmati rice and blend of all spices. I know that many of you think biryani is difficult to learn, lengthy and tedious job, but trust me, it is not. Before even I used to think the same. I still remember I have asked so many about the recipe and have tried and never got same taste. It may be because many will not keep track of all the measurements while doing biryani and others they don't want to reveal. But as a result, after trying so many times in so many methods, here I am revealing my method of making this delicious mouth-watering recipe. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we are going to use it in this recipe. Here I have taken cleaned mutton using turmeric. First we need to marinate mutton. Take mutton in a large bowl and then add salt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, jeera, curd, slitted green chilies, handful of mint leaves, coriander leaves, fried onion, lemon juice, half cup oil, combine all together and mix well until all the mutton pieces are coated. Once you fried the onion, you can use the same oil for marination. Here I have used the same oil. Let this marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. Before beginning with our biryani process, we have to wash and soak our basmati rice for about 30 minutes. I have mentioned the quantity of all the ingredients in the beginning of the video itself. If you have any doubt, please go back and check. After 2 hours of marination of mutton, take a heavy bottom pot and arrange all the mutton pieces evenly in the bottom of the pot. Now it's almost arranged, and now put all masala on top of that and let it cook for 15 minutes in a medium heat. While the mutton is cooking, let's prepare our rice. Take one more heavy large bottom pot and then add water to it. Add cloves, cinnamon, jeera, salt, cardamom and bring this water to boil. Now you can see it's about to boil. Now add soaked basmati rice and cook until 80% cooked. Let's wait till our rice cooks for about 80%. Now we need to check the mutton. Switch off the flame if it is done cooked for 15 minutes. Now our rice is perfect and it's time to layer our biryani. Drain the rice completely using strainer and start layering it. Once the first layer is done, sprinkle some mint leaves and fried onions. Now start layering for next. You can make any number of layers depending on quantity of rice. And don't forget to sprinkle mint leaves and fried onions after every layer. Once all layer is done, put some ghee on top of that, small spoon of kera water, it is totally optional, and half cup of hot water. Here I have missed recording that, but please don't forget to add. Now put some tawa under a pot and close the lid and let it dum cook for about 30 minutes under a low medium heat. Now it's ready. Slowly open the lid. Look at those layers and the aromatic steam. Now gently fluff the rice with a spoon and serve hot. This biryani pairs wonderfully with raita and simple salad. Dig in and enjoy the rich spiced flavors of Hyderabad right at home. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you try making this Hyderabadi Mutton Dum Biryani, let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy cooking!